Hello, we're back again. The last slide I thought about getting you introduced to the layers before we actually start removing the unwanted parts. So at this point, yes, we are ready for deleting the unwanted layers. Now that you have understood what each of these does, how can we mess around with them, we can now actually make use of them. So go ahead and put view all on all of it. Actually, I'm gonna go and put hide all on all of it. And first I'm gonna mess with the copper top. So I put my copper top on view. Again, my copper top, not my isolated layers, but my copper top. And then I scroll down till I see my copper top 10 mil, and then I put that on edit. One more time, I go to copper top, I put that on view, then I scroll down to see my T 10 mils, and then I put that on edit. And now I have this green thing, which is basically my copper top, and then the brown dots you see around, which is my 10 mil. And let me go ahead and zoom in on a couple of these. You'll see something like this, and you'll see something like these. And your first step should be understanding what you need to delete and what you don't need to delete. And on a definition note, any trace that connects two traces on copper top should be deleted. Let's say, for example, these two brown dots. These dots do not connect to anything in between. There is the copper top on the left side, and on the right hand side there's nothing. It's empty space. Let's look at something like here. This brown dot, on the other hand, touches this part of the copper top, and on the other side it touches this part of the copper top. These two are totally different. Both belong to the same layer, but there's going to be different components mounted on both of them, or maybe one of them. Another. So this dot right here is very important. You don't delete them. Let's look at something like here. This square is one note, so everything that touches it is really important. In a way, when you look at it, this dot here is touching the left hand side and the right hand side and the bottom, but this square is actually connected to this square and this square, so there really is no point on having this. On the other hand, the one that we did look at right here, what's over here is different from what's over here. You see this box is not connected to this box or any of this. Eventually it is, but when you look at it and zoom in, it's not. Okay, so now we're ready to delete what's unwanted. All I do is zoom in, I see something, I press my crosshair tool, highlight it, press my delete key. This is the funnest part of IsoPro. Not trying to be a nerd, but this is fun. There is some relief that you get out of deleting these. Probably the whole pressure you build up on Senior. Okay, so I delete that, I delete that, delete that, 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 that. I find these connecting. This isn't. These are connecting. This isn't. These are connecting. Delete those, delete those, those, delete those, and I can get rid of all of those too. Okay, so we're good. And we're ready. So we have taken care of the 10 mil of the copper top. Once again, step one of deleting the unwanted parts, we put copper top on view, and we put the top T10 mils or the copper top 10 mils on edit and everything else on hide, and deleted the unwanted part of the copper top 10 mils. Now my next step would be hide the layer that I was deleting, which was my T10. I'm going to put that on hide, and then I'm going to put the next successive layer on edit, which is going to be my T20. This is my T20. I don't know why it's showing me T10. Yeah, rename this guy. Sorry about that. So my T10 is set to hide, and my T20 is now put on edit, and we have this same procedure again. I'm going to delete the unwanted parts. I'm going to delete these, I'm going to delete these, I'm going to delete these, and all those, and I'm going to save some of my memory by skipping it. I will continue when I'm done with copper top, and I'll show you what's next.